Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm showing how to create an animation video. If this is your first time watching my video, please subscribe to my channel, like it and share my video. So the first thing you have to do is log into, we have a website called renderforest.com. So we make use of renderforest to create animation videos and all different kinds of video. Maybe you are into other, we are trying to create a cartoon video or whatever type of video you're trying to create, or explanation video. So this website has various types of animation videos you can create. So the first thing you have to do is just to sign up on renderforest.com, then you will give them an information to verify your account. So that's how you get it. So when you get in, you'll be directed to this home page when you log into your account. So let's click on. So I'm going to create an animation video right now. So maybe I want to do training videos. So I'll do this or explanation video. Just make it over. So I agree. As you can see, this is what we call 3D explanation video toolkit. So we have so many like whiteboard animation toolkits like that. So I'll be making use of this 3D explanation using like a cartoon or whatever. So this is what we call the 4K. So if you're interested. So in this on this website we have both free and paid version. As you can see. So it includes yeah. So maybe you want to choose for like widescreen or full screen, use it as so you can change the version of the type of screen you want. So and then you can change the version, maybe like you want Chinese stuff like that or whatever. Then that's all. So let's click on create now. Click on create now. So it will show you all the templates you need. So, and each template has its own duration time. This one has 5 to 16 seconds. And the second one, I think there is just like 16 seconds. I think so. So the least there is just like 5 seconds. And so this is very cool. So you can create up like a lot of videos you want to create like 5 minute video. So as you can see, this way we have the main characters. So maybe you're trying to make use of female characters, occasions, or you're trying to create a operation videos or like that, casual groups or any other stuff like that. So then just choose one so you can see how it works. So click on the video you want. So as you can see, you can click selecting the types of video you want. So I choose one like so another one. So I can also choose another one. Then click the last one, like adding to 4 videos. So this is where you input the text. So like the text for the first video. So this is where you input it. So you click on add text to speech, then you type whatever you want to. So maybe you want to make use of another sound, like you want another person, like you want to leave it to video, you want to start off, or you want the person to be, you want a lady to be the speaker or a man or whatever. So you can change it there. So this is it. So maybe you are into like Arabic stuff or whatever, then and if you so multilingual. So you don't use a lot multilingual and make use of them. So just simple. So how are you doing guys? So let me just say those done inputting my speech. Then you click on the next video. Okay. So for the first video you want to generate, yeah. For the first video you have to click on generate. So as you can see, yeah, that create generating our first video. So for the second video again, you can also come in like and then do this. So I also just click on generate. So I think I made a mistake here. You know you're supposed to put in that thing. So you click on the type text here. So this is where you put it. So you click on the second video, then third video, then come back here. Then I type another one, show you how to get started using the then yeah, don't create another text. Then for the last one, so you can also just input anything in to start. So that's the last one. Then we are done. You can also add a video, like audio. So this is it. So they have a music library. So like this. So you can then move to your video ends. So that's it. So that's how you do it. Then when you're done creating your video like this, you can also add colors or whatever. For instance, these fonts are for like premium version. So watermarks for premium version. So just click on export. So as you can see, export your video in HD Live 1080 points. You know, you're not making it, make use of 720. So export it. Do not click on remove watermark. If you click on watermark, if you click on remove watermark, you'll be directed to like to upgrade the account. So you just make like click export anyway, and that's all. So you see that your video is clicking. So you wait until it's finished exporting. So until it's finished counting. So let's just wait for like a few minutes. So I'll show you how it is like. So as you can see, you can also browse like render files for inspiration also for anything like you want. This is a very great, what's it called? A great platform that you can easily use. Website that is for the starter who are looking to create a content video. Then you can start with this. So and that's how it works. As you can see, rendering finished, applying audio. So everything will just be done in minutes. Or you can even export your video finish. It will take a lot less than 2 to 3 minutes. You are done. So in case you want to download your video, so just need to click on, what is it called? So I think you can just save the video. I think that's another way to save the video. So you save it. So that's all. So in case you want to play the video, so let me just let's for So we really found